Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Thought Behind the Shot. मेरा नाम है मोहित आहूजा. I am your friend, a teacher and a trainer, and more importantly, a fellow photographer. In the last few episodes of Thought Behind the Shot, we have talked about photography. किसी फोटो को कब कहाँ खींचा गया, क्यों खींचा गया, और उसके पीछे का पूरा थॉट क्या था. वो जो एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग है वो डेवलप करने में ज़िंदगी निकल जाती है. मुझे 20 साल हो चुके हैं एंड आई थिंक आई एम स्टिल गेटिंग टू अंडरस्टैंड माई सेल्फ बेटर, माई आर्ट बेटर. एंड द होल एजेंडा ऑफ दिस सीरीज इज़ टू हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड इट बेटर. थोड़ा सा आपका रास्ता आसान हो जाए. दैट इज़ वाई वी स्टार्टेड दिस सीरीज कॉल्ड थॉट बिहाइंड द शॉट. अच्छा, पिछले कुछ एपिसोड्स में हमने एक एपिसोड किया ऑन अमित किलम, द ड्रमर ऑफ द फ्यूजन रॉक बैंड इंडियन ओशन. And in that episode, I talked about how many times when colors in a shot are not in your control, जब कुछ haywire लग रहा हो कि कुछ abrupt हो रहा है, then what do? Then you turn it to black and white. आपने अक्सर बहुत सारे लोगों को बोलते सुना होगा. A lot of people you might have heard them say that yeah, nothing like black and white. Black and white images are the best. What many times people are not able to explain you is that because it's black and white, the colors are more in control, the image looks more balanced, and what we call it a classic shot. It looks more classic than many times it actually is. तो आज जिस जगह की मैं आपको शेयर कराना चाहता हूँ, जो शॉट्स मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ, ये उसके बिल्कुल कंट्रास्ट में है. बिकॉज हियर टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कलर. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ टू गेट all those colors in one place. I'm going to show you some shots, take you to this favorite place of mine. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, now is the time to do it. Do subscribe, do share it with your friends, and help us spread this one big thing about this art that we are trying to do. It means a lot. बहरहाल आज मैं आपको जहाँ लेके जाना चाहता हूँ, इस जगह का नाम है जामा मस्जिद. It's a huge mosque in Old Delhi. It's a favorite for photographers from Delhi and people from across the world come to visit this place. Old Delhi का अपना एक charm है. मैं ये मानता हूँ that Old Delhi, Delhi 6 has its own charm, but Jama Masjid is in itself a world of its own. The very first shot I want to share with you is this one. Just look at this shot. Just to tell you ये कब का shot है, कहाँ लिया गया था. ये इफ्तार का वक्त था, when the fasting ends on a daily basis. जब रमज़ान होता है, the month where all the Muslims fast. It's a very holy month, a very blessed month. And in the evening is the sunset time is called iftar, when they end that daily fast. Iftar के वक्त इतने सारे लोग थे वहाँ पे. As you can see, there's all colors. You think of the color and it's there. When thousands of people turn up in a place like this, there's so many colors. किसी को सफ़ेद पहनना पसंद है, किसी को काला. Somebody loves wearing red, somebody loves wearing a yellow or an orange, or even a black, or even a purple. All those colors you can spot in this image. So when I was taking these images, I realized that while there are so many colors that make this image so vibrant, there's a beautiful chaos in this image. And at the same time, because the masjid is standing there tall, it is identifying itself as one massive building that is towering above everyone else. That makes the shot stand out. It makes the shot balanced. So I took this shot and I was greedy for more, and then I took another shot. This was again evening. It's almost post sunset. As you can see from the movement in the image, all the people are walking around. This is during iftar, and the orange of the masjid, those walls in red stone, they are standing there tall and proud. The sky is blue. It's actually almost night. And the colors are speaking for themselves. It's so much color, all balanced, because there's one or two major colors that are taking most of the image. And then the other smaller colors are just like a painting. I took this shot and then I thought, hey, let's take one more. And you keep changing angles. As a photographer, एक जगह पर टिक के मत रहिए. थोड़ा सा मूव अराउंड कीजिए, 5-10 feet, 10 steps here, 10 steps there, and you'll realize that your entire perspective changes. Don't keep standing in one place. That's one of the easy tricks to do in photography. And when you keep moving around, you get a shot like this. Now this is a shot that I personally love. You can see the entire masjid from one wall to the other. You can see those boys right in the corner wearing a pink kurta, a grey kurta. All the colors right in the lawn of the masjid. Everyone is just there. It's all one huge group of people who are getting together to celebrate their religion, and it's beauty. पूरा जो खूबसूरती है शॉट की वो यही थी जो मुझे थॉट आया उस टाइम पे कि हमारी सोच में, हमारे रंगों में, इन आर चॉइसेस वी आर ऑल्सो डिफरेंट एंड येट वी आर ऑल द सेम इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट वन क्रिएटर. अब हम उसके अल्लाह का नाम दे, भगवान का नाम दे, आई एम नॉट गोइंग इनटू फिलॉसफी, बट this is where color plays a beautiful role and this entire image becomes so vibrant. जहाँ celebrations है वहाँ पे celebration का मज़ा कलर के साथ है. Imagine a Holi in black and white. थोड़ा unbelievable है ना, because उस festival का पूरा essence ही color है. So life is beautiful in color as well as it is in black and white. This was today's shot in Thought Behind the Shot. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. We'll be more than happy to answer them. शेयर कर लीजिए इसको लोगों के साथ. बताइए उनको कि ये दुनिया बहुत खूबसूरत है और जब मौका मिले ना, just take a picture. Every picture counts. It's always great to have a picture, a memory of a place you've visited, a moment you've lived. This is me, Mohit Ahuja, signing off. See you all very soon. Keep clicking. Stay happy. God bless you.